Making a spiral staircase isn't particularly easy. This was my second attempt and I learned a lot at it. It's not the best. You can see that there's a couple of things you can do. You can translate the center. You can change the width of the spiral. You can also change what's the primary vanishing point and viewing distance. I'm not going to change that. You can also change the height of the spiral, which changes all the points along the way, including bringing it down to 0. So you can see that this is a spiral staircase that's based on an octagon. The question that I really wanted to know is, if you think about the spiral as a curve, what can you say about this curve? And in particular, what is the locus of vanishing points if these were not line segments, but if this was actually a continuous curve? To answer that question, what I want to do is look at what happens if you just ask the same question in a very simple spiral, that is the spiral for a circle. So here's a car that's going to be going around in a circle. It has tangent lines here. This tangent line I think of as the headlights of the car, and the red ones I think of as the tail lights of the car. Notice that the tangent lines are tangent to the circle, and that there's also a line to the center of the circle. If we ask what's the locus of points that are vanishing points for these headlights and tail lights for these tangent lines, it's not surprisingly that the answer is it's a line. It's actually the horizon line. So if we drive the car around, you can see that the vanishing points always lie on the horizon line. But interestingly enough, if the car is going towards the horizon, then the vanishing points are the headlights. And if the car is going away from the horizon, then the vanishing lines are the taillights. So as the car goes around the circle once, the locus of vanishing points traces this curve twice, once for the headlights and once for the taillights. You could ask, what happens then if instead of having the car go in a circle, we have the car go in a spiral? That's the topic for another video or paper or something.